Bombay Shaving Company's skin-friendly hair removal spray. It's nothing less than revolutionary. Now you can get rid of your unwanted body hair in minutes and experience the convenience that's almost too hard to believe. While this product has undergone multiple usage tests supervised by experienced dermatologists and is extremely safe to use, we still recommend you to watch this video to understand a few precautions that you need to take to get the best from this amazing product. Before using the product, do a patch test on the region where you want to remove hair. If there is no significant redness or irritation, you are good to continue using the product. Stop using deos or alcohol-based products on the areas that require hair removal a few hours prior to using the hair removal spray. Do not spray around eyes, nose, ears, perianal or genital areas. In case of accidental contact, rinse immediately with plenty of water. Do not use the hair removal spray on inflamed or open wounds. That's it. Go ahead and use this product befikar. We have formulated this spray with cutting-edge science and utmost care, so you can experience a zero-effort and 100% clean hair removal experience. Go ahead and flaunt that hairless body. You truly deserve it. Hair removal spray from Bombay Shaving Company. Hairless, no stress.